Are you gonna have time to talk to Doug about the raise today?
Yeah, I'll talk to him today.
What's going on?
I'm in trouble.
You know what you need? You need to get a little intoxicated with a buddy of yours. You know, get a little crazy.
No, I gotta go home.
We'll catch some fish with this.
Just come home.
All right, I will hang out for just a little bit.
Yeah! Give him a yeah! I did. No matter how much money's in that box, I'm not sucking his.